Top 13 Survival Gadgets and Gear that are next level. Survival gear has evolved tremendously over the years, bringing together advanced technology, durability, and thoughtful design to make outdoor adventures safer, more efficient, and ultimately more enjoyable. Whether you're trekking through rugged landscapes, camping deep in the wilderness, or simply preparing for an emergency, having the right equipment can make all the difference. These next-level survival gadgets and gear represent the pinnacle of innovation, ensuring that you stay comfortable, well-prepared, and ready for anything. Let's take a closer look at these must-have survival tools that will elevate your outdoor experience and keep you ahead of the game. Lifesaver Jerrycan Water Purifier. Access to clean water is one of the most critical factors in any survival situation, and the Lifesaver Jerrycan Water Purifier is designed to make sure that you never have to worry about contaminated water again. This portable, robust water purification system allows you to carry and purify water from virtually any source, turning potentially dangerous water into safe drinking water in just a matter of minutes. With the ability to filter up to 5,000 liters of water, it's perfect for long trips in remote areas or emergency preparedness. The Lifesaver Jerrycan features a simple pump-action mechanism that makes it easy to use and ensures that you're always hydrated no matter where you are. Black Diamond Storm 400 Headlamp. When it comes to navigating through the darkness, the Black Diamond Storm 400 headlamp stands out as one of the most powerful and versatile headlamps available. With 400 lumens of brightness, it offers incredible illumination even in the darkest conditions, ensuring that you can see and be seen during your outdoor adventures. It features multiple light modes, including a dimming function, red night vision, and a strobe mode for emergencies. The headlamp's design is waterproof and shock-resistant, making it ideal for the toughest environments. JetBoil Minimo Cooking System. When you need to cook on the go, the JetBoil Minimo Cooking System makes preparing meals easier and faster than ever before. Designed for outdoor enthusiasts who demand efficiency and portability, the Minimo is compact, lightweight, and can bring water to a boil in just over 2 minutes. The system includes a high-performance burner, a 1-liter cooking pot, and a built-in stabilizer, all of which can be packed neatly into a small and easy-to-carry bundle. The Minimo is perfect for backpackers, campers, or anyone who needs a reliable and quick cooking solution in the wild. Kershaw Blur Folding Knife. The Kershaw Blur Folding Knife is a must-have tool for anyone who needs a reliable high-performance blade in their gear collection. Known for its speed, durability, and sharpness, this knife features a patented speed-safe technology, which allows for fast and easy one-handed opening. The blade itself is made from high-quality stainless steel, ensuring long-lasting sharpness and resistance to rust. The ergonomic handle provides a secure grip, even in wet or slippery conditions, making it perfect for outdoor tasks like cutting rope, preparing food, or even self-defense. Goal Zero Nomad 10 Solar Panel. In the world of outdoor survival, staying powered up is often a challenge, but the Goal Zero Nomad 10 Solar Panel makes it easier than ever to harness the power of the sun. This compact and portable solar panel allows you to charge your devices, such as smartphones, tablets, or GPS units, while you're off the grid. It's designed to work in a variety of outdoor environments and features a rugged, weather-resistant construction that can stand up to the harshest conditions. Titan Sports Altos Ultralight Sleeping Bag. When it comes to camping or hiking, having the right sleeping bag can make or break your experience, and the Titan Sports Altos Ultralight Sleeping Bag is a game-changer in the world of outdoor gear. This sleeping bag is designed for warmth, comfort, and portability, providing excellent insulation even in cold weather, while keeping its weight to a minimum. It's filled with high-quality synthetic insulation, which helps it retain warmth even in damp conditions, and its water-resistant shell ensures you stay dry. Maxpedition Vulture 2 Backpack. The Maxpedition Vulture 2 Backpack is an excellent choice for anyone who needs a tactical, multifunctional backpack for outdoor adventures. This rugged, military-inspired pack is made from high-density nylon fabric and features water-resistant zippers and compartments to keep your gear safe and dry. With a 25-liter capacity, the Vulture 2 has plenty of room to carry all the essentials, including food, water, first aid kits, and more. It also comes equipped with mole webbing, allowing you to attach additional pouches or gear, making it highly customizable for any mission or adventure. Ridge Rest Classic Sleeping Pad. When you're out in the wild, a good night's sleep is essential, and the Ridge Rest Classic Sleeping Pad ensures that you rest comfortably no matter where you are. This durable, foam sleeping pad offers excellent insulation from the cold ground, while providing the comfort you need for a restful night. The closed-cell foam construction is lightweight and compact, making it easy to carry in your backpack. Coleman Instant Tent. Setting up camp has never been easier than with the Coleman Instant Tent. This innovative tent can be set up in just minutes, thanks to its simple, pre-assembled frame system. The tent is designed to be spacious and comfortable, providing plenty of room for you and your gear. With a waterproof, weather-resistant design, the Coleman Instant Tent ensures that you stay dry and protected from the elements, no matter what the weather throws at you. Nimmo Equipment Tensor Sleeping Pad. For those who prioritize comfort and quality sleep during their outdoor excursions, the Nimmo Equipment Tensor Sleeping Pad is a game-changer. Designed to provide a comfortable, insulated, and lightweight sleeping surface, this sleeping pad is perfect for backcountry camping, backpacking, or any adventure where space and weight are a concern. The Tensor Sleeping Pad uses high-performance materials that provide excellent insulation from the cold ground while remaining incredibly lightweight. Princeton Tech Viz Headlamp. The Princeton Tech Viz Headlamp is a lightweight and powerful headlamp that's perfect for outdoor enthusiasts who need reliable lighting on their adventures. With a combination of white and red LEDs, it offers versatile lighting options for a variety of situations, from illuminating a trail to preserving your night vision. The headlamp is equipped with a dimming function, a strobe mode, and a long battery life, ensuring that it meets your lighting needs throughout your entire trip. Blackhawk Level 3 Serpa Holster. For those who carry firearms for protection or self-defense, the Blackhawk Level 3 Serpa Holster is an essential piece of gear. Known for its superior retention and security, this holster features a patented Serpa auto-lock release system, ensuring that your weapon stays securely in place until you need it. The Level 3 holster is designed for tactical operations, offering a quick draw, high-level security, and easy accessibility in critical situations. Made from durable, impact-resistant materials, it's built to withstand heavy use in demanding environments. The Blackhawk Level 3 Serpa holster is perfect for anyone who needs a reliable and secure way to carry their firearm while ensuring ease of access when it matters most. Works 20V Cordless Pressure Washer. The Works 20V Cordless Pressure Washer is an incredibly versatile and powerful tool that can handle a wide range of cleaning tasks in outdoor and survival settings. Powered by a 20V battery, this cordless pressure washer allows you to clean everything from your camping gear to your vehicle, equipment, or even outdoor furniture without the need for an external power source. It's compact, lightweight, and easy to use, making it perfect for both home use and outdoor adventures. The Works Pressure Washer offers adjustable pressure settings, so you can customize the power according to the task at hand, ensuring efficient and safe cleaning every time. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.